What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break,
Break.
Fix. That's the one. You said it.
I said break.
Fantastic. Build, break it, and then fix it as well.
All right. Looking forward to breaking some things.
Yeah, and then fixing it eventually.
Maybe.
Yeah. All right. First thing is first. Let's do the honors for the actual custodians of the land on which we meet today, and the past, present, and future elders as well. So here goes. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today, and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Fantastic. So that was all done smoothly. Hey, Dev. Yep,
Oh,
had
hey,
to be
Jack.
done. Yeah, true. That Tory isn't even in Australia.
Good job.
But
Yes. Hey, you know what? I'll pay my respects from anywhere.
yeah, it's all about being human first. Fantastic. So yeah, the progress was that you already know it because you were on the chat as always.
Jack Dev's laughing.
I'm not even gonna go there. um, so yeah, just for the viewers that we are implementing the get board functionality, and yeah, so today's task would be to basically compare the hashed passcode with the string passcode. So we initially wanted to use the Bcryptjs library, but me and Finish, who's the other role coder, were unable to figure out how to import that library in JavaScript. So, which is why we left it to the front end guru, which is Tori, the front end wizard, I would say, wizard.
Wow, that's a big claim, but okay.
All right. Do you want to share your screen, Tori?
Sure. Let's do that.
What was that eyebrow? Ding.
I was just. I'm using my other monitor. My mouse is being weird. That's why.
Oh, right. I see.
Come on, mouse.
Come on,
All right.
mouse. Feed it
Share
some cheese.
screen.
You might be hungry.
Oh, good one. Okay. I think you gotta let
There
me
we
in,
go.
and
Yeah.
I gotta switch over to Scrambler client. All right. I think I need to pull down some changes, probably. So I have a
Mm-hmm.
question. Are like I missed it yesterday. Are all the passwords being loaded onto the front end?
Yeah. But in the background,
But you know that's not secure, right?
will the users be able to see the passcodes if they go into a kind of console and
Yeah,
everything?
anybody can just write in the dev
So
in
how
the
would they know that the password is actually stored in that particular variable, as
well
in the board's object?
they could just like just go through the code. I mean,
How will they
I
go?
I thought maybe you were just I thought okay.
I forgot that the project was open source.
uh, uh, well, yeah, and if they just like if there was a bad actor, a bad man or woman out there, all right, and they really wanted to um, just find some sites to mess around with, then I mean, all the passwords are there on the front end. So
True, true. So how would you suggest that we kind of, because we want to compare both board name and the password now. So yeah, I completely forgot that the project would be open source, which means everyone would have access to the code, and it is not good.
yeah, also it would also to compare the code, you need the salt from Bcrypt that is on the back end, and the salt is supposed to be like secret. So you would sniff a clock. So you would have to bring that to the front end to compare the password. So I mean, there's no way around. If you want to make the site secure, then there's no way around having to have multiple calls to the database to check if the password they entered is the password, and then inside of the Express app, the Lambda, it would do the comparison in Bcrypt there, and never like the API should never return the password ever.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. It would only return if it's true or false. That's all.
Yeah, yeah, that's it. Like it just says, is it the right password? And then it just gives them back the board data or whatever needs to happen next. Um,
I'm just
other,
thinking,
other
how could I forget that it was a open source project and everyone would have access to the code? That's why we should not store the passwords in the front end. I'll
yeah,
just, yeah,
just so you know, anything ever, passcodes, passwords, API keys, anything on the front end that needs to
yeah,
be protected should never ever be there. It should always be server side, because anyone can
sure.
just open the tools or write a script and just run through your code.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. All right, cool. So in that way, we would have no option but to do back and forth from the database then on password check-in, as in board. Actually, board is fine, but the password.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's not bad. All we have to do is have um an end. Uh, all we have to do is just have another um like and we could just add another endpoint or whatever, or use the same endpoint for getting the board by name. I think, is it get board by name or get board? Yeah, it's get board by name, right? And then
Yeah, board names.
there's a get board by name, right?
Yeah, as well.
So yeah, they'll be asked to pass in the pin, and then on the back end it just takes that pin, and
And it
the name of
compares
the
it.
yeah, it just gets the name of the board, compares the password, gets the password from the hash password from the database, compares it with Bcrypt,
Yeah.
and if it's valid, then just return the data or whatever needs to happen in that scenario.
Yeah, yeah, true, true. Okay then, cool. Let's do in that way. Yeah, still can't believe myself.
It's cool, man. It's fine. I didn't know if it was like a prototype thing or something, but I just wanted to point it out. Didn't
Yeah,
want to.
which makes complete sense. As in, why would you wanna load the passwords in the front end? Every single person can actually access it.
um, yeah, like, yeah. I mean, yeah. Generally, anything that needs like, well, yeah, anything that just needs to be secure, then just like don't put it on the front end because the front end is not safe ever.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, that makes complete sense. Yeah, I just wasn't thinking because I've got this really ultimate positive brain that I somehow always think of positive things, and it didn't really come into my mind that oh, there may be bad guys out there as well.
Yeah, there's just,
And
I mean, yeah, it's just, yeah, it's cool. Whatever. There's bad people.
yeah,
There's just
true.
bots too and stuff. There's all sorts of weird stuff out there.
Yeah, true.
So if you want, we can still go ahead with Bcrypt, but I would say the only I don't know that much about security or any of this domain, so but I think if you wanted to use Bcrypt on the front end, maybe one use case would be to hash the passwords. I think Dinesh said that hash the passwords before you submit them via the form in case there's some kind of like man in the middle type of attack. I don't know, but like that way when you send the data, it's secure. But I don't think I mean, I don't think we need to do that right now.
No, no. I all he was basically saying that we should decrypt the passcodes or in as in decrypt the passcodes on client side.
Okay. Um, what again?
And Gagdev is on to me now. Gagdev, I was gonna surprise you by a kebab this weekend, but I changed my mind now. I'm not gonna do that.
No kebabs. All
No
right.
kebabs, only sauces. That didn't work out well.
Well, where should we go from here, Zane?
Okay, cool. So since we are no, we shouldn't be doing the passcodes in the front end. So first we can do is if the can you say if Finish has actually pushed the changes?
Yeah. Let's see.
Probably do a git log and
Looks
see
like
if you
looks
okay.
like everything's in here, though. Looks like I've
Okay,
pulled it already.
right, cool, perfect then.
Yeah,
So
Dinesh.
it did brilliant. Yeah, cool. So yeah, what we can basically do now is we can undo the passcode functionality that we added in the front end, as in just to get all the passcodes.
Yeah, one second. Sorry, hold on.
Yeah, that's right. How is that? What do you mean Indian giver? Indians are really generous. As in, I've got many Indian friends, and whenever I go to their house, as in, they always have something to give me. They're amazing people.
Sorry, my dog was gonna go off.
Yeah, that's all right. What breed have you got?
Bali street dog.
Mine right, right. I see. I see.
He needed
Okay.
a home, so that's how it
Yeah,
worked out.
that's really good though. That's really good and really kind of you. Yeah, so what I was thinking that we can, you know how me and Finesh were working on um getting the passcodes from the backend?
Uh-huh.
We can undo that functionality in the client side first.
Can we can we just do git revert? Is that what it is? I'm
Yeah,
bad with
yeah,
git.
probably. Yeah, yeah. Should be then get revert.
Maybe maybe the helpful audience can tell us. Is it git revert? Do you know, Zane? Because I'm bad with git.
Google it, Google it.
I think that's
But I'm pretty sure it's kind of along those lines.
because I know there's git reset and then there's git revert
The get
and
revert command is a forward moving undo operation that offers save rate by undoing changes. Yeah, so it must have a flag where we can say which commit that we want, or the latest one. How it works? Get revert.
so we can move the oh, that's git re undoing changes to our repository's commit history.
Other under command
Git
move the
revert
head
also.
pointer. Move the head and the branch rep pointers to that one. Ah, I did this in my work training.
Um, seeing Bali was, but it's dark behind me. There's nothing to see. I'm sorry. If you want to see Bali, we got to do the show an hour earlier. But I don't know if that's gonna work for everybody. Actually, by
We
having
can
the
do that
background too,
as in
by
on the
having the
weekend.
background, it helps me actually um, lighten myself up because of the screen. Otherwise, the screen is dark.
Ah, right. Yeah, yeah.
I don't.
True.
So the problem is I don't have a good light. Um, they're all soft, like very soft yellow lights. I mean, it's a rental, so not gonna install light. I
Yeah, exactly.
don't care.
Hmm. Okay, probably do probably do on the stack. He's on to me. He's feeling really good today. I think he's in the zone. Um,
What do you recommend? Um, Revert or reset?
I think it would be revert because we wanna go to the last commit that
Okay.
we've done. Just basically Google it how to get the how to undo changes of the last comment. That's all.
And like, do we want to undo the last commit or
Yeah,
undo the
undo the
last
last comment. Mm-hmm. Yeah, undo commit. Yes, because we don't want to keep any of those changes. If that makes sense.
commit? Okay. So that's the git reset with
Curious at
soft
last one.
flag because there's soft and
Undo.
hard. Um,
How to undo recent local commits. Okay, yeah, just basically do that.
uh, here we
Um,
here we go. Here we go.
Don't.
Oh, you
I don't,
don't
I
know
don't, I
me
don't
and
trust
Git,
it.
man.
I don't trust that hard reset.
You don't know me and Git. We don't have a good relationship. Just do a hard reset to an earlier commit. Maybe the original Scrum.
He's feeling really in cloud nine today, though. What happened
Okay,
with Jack Dev? Did you get a promotion?
soft reset to this commit. Okay, so I can. How is that going to work with GitHub?
Yeah, why not? Because it will be Git reset.
Okay, all right. Let me do this soft reset. All right, actually, I wanted didn't I want a soft reset to your commit. I want to just skip over Thanesh's. Is that right?
Okay, then probably do a git log first and see what my commit was.
It's just fixes passcode and new design. So this is Thanesh, and then oh wait,
Hang on a minute. I have a funny feeling that I didn't push my
oh this is
changes.
yours.
Did
This
I
was
push my
this is
changes?
this is before
6.
um this is the this is the last commit is from Thanesh yesterday, and then this is a commit you made on Sunday.
This is a commit that made on Sunday. What did I? Okay, yeah.
Changes separate get and group simply change an error something. I
Into
do want to
corporate.
be famous. Oh, I don't have money though. Damn it.
um, change separate get and go to simply changing the format. Yeah, I think this should be it. And this is the front end, isn't it? Yeah,
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 yeah, yeah.
yeah. This should be it.
So I should reset to your commit, right?
Yeah, to this
This
one.
this
Hmm.
one. All right. Q Git. I know you don't like it when I click stuff. Soft. Oh wait,
You
where
know,
do I
for
have?
some
Then it's
reset.
the at the right command. All right. Looks like it is. All right. I have reset to yours. Oh, okay. So I've resetted back to Gekdev. Gekdev found the first commit ever.
He's in his mood today.
um, okay, I've reset back to your commit.
Okay, which means that you have my changes, but they're not committed anymore.
True. So should I not have done that? Bad.
No, that's fine. That's exactly
This one is
import.
importing Bcrypt. So we don't want this, right?
Yeah, we don't want that.
Looks like
Yeah,
something
yeah. Here we go. We don't want these. So
okay
these are finishes changes that
will be.
we have here.
What's this styling? Okay, some styling stuff.
So we want that.
We want these.
Tabs. No, we don't want. Oh, okay. So you're actually on my one.
Oh, my bad. Okay, let me go to. Okay, yeah, I was on Thinesh. So what do I gotta do? I gotta go.
He's making me laugh, to be honest.
Hey, I would appreciate that title. Maybe not for the reasons you're saying.
No, but more positive reasons because I reckon Yagdev values his time and there's a reason why he's on the show every night. So that's actually a compliment.
It's here for the laughs. And so what I want to do
Yeah,
uh, is go to Thanesh's commit, reset to Thanesh's commit, and then
try that.
oh, just try.
Yeah, the reason why I'm saying try that because even if we don't do anything to or make a mistake, we always have the latest version pushed up. So it doesn't make any as in scariness that or we might break because we already have the latest one pushed. So
What is
where are we at the moment? We are
what is
into
going on? So I went to this commit, but now I'm not seeing anything. Um,
finish branch.
I want to view this. Oh, can this get bigger, please? It's really annoying.
That's why we say
Oh,
to read sometimes
it's going.
terminal is the best.
Okay. Um,
And
looks
checking.
like package. Oh, it's installed. So okay, that makes sense. Like only the front end.
Mm-hmm.
It's cheap. We're cheaper than Netflix.
Exactly.
What changed? I don't even. Can I not? Is it not? Oh, it's not diffing. Okay, whatever.
No.
All right. Okay, but the thing is, I reset back to his commit, but I'm not seeing the
His
changes.
changes.
Why?
Okay, you reset back to his changes it and go
Probably,
back in
I'm
the
probably
code.
just messing up all my. I'm probably just messing up Git right now.
Go in the in the code.
I'm staying on the next
That's how
string.
we learn, man. That's how we learn.
Uh,
See how good of a time we're making Gagdev, as in he prefers to watch us than Netflix.
let's finish. Let's finish the show tonight. Okay. I don't know what to do now, Zane. I'm stuck.
Okay, cool. So close the file history.
Okay.
All right. Now, what is this? Okay, this is Finesh's change at the moment.
But I don't. There's no. I reset back to him.
All right, go to get board names
Go to get board names.
in the code.
Okay. Uh. Get, oh, what is it? At.
Don't worry, just for Control F and type in, and then he will search it in the entire project.
Huh? What's up?
Never mind. Don't worry about it. Okay, so that is taking the board object. Yeah, so that is Finesh's chain set.
But I don't see bcrypt. Like bcrypt is not in.
It was in the other file.
Wait,
If
what?
you go to script.js, I think
Script.js should be bcrypt in here.
up, yeah, right at the top. No, uh, probably still front end then.
Okay.
But I saw it early on.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, here we go. So that is all the finish and I did, which
Okay.
can be undoed.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah. So okay. So now what we want to do is go back to my commit.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. You know how to do that?
Uh, l- sure. Not really. You tell me. I don't know how to do it.
All right, let me Google it as well.
I was like, yeah, let me know.
That's hilarious, honestly. To a certain commit. Okay, cool. So we do get river,
Uh-huh. Go to what?
and then
Get revert.
hang on a minute. Just gonna check one thing. Okay, cool. So we do the get reset, sorry, hard, and then the commit
Sure.
number. Yeah, just do that because even though if it's not right, we already have the code pushed up in the GitHub, so we can always kind of
Yeah,
take
don't
it from
worry.
there.
My
Yeah,
just my Git will be messed up. It's cool.
yeah, yeah. Oh, hang on. Is this a your Git?
Well, because it's
No,
local,
it's
right?
not.
Well, until I push the changes, it's pretty much local, right? Until I push
Yeah,
them
yeah,
to origin,
yeah,
anything I do in Git is gonna be local.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so you're worried that your local game might be messy.
You'll get, yeah, and then I'll be just like deleting the whole project and then starting over.
And
Um,
then maybe calling me is that saying you mophead. Um,
okay.
I've
Uh,
anyway.
no, it's not your fault. It's just that I don't understand Git and I'm too lazy to learn, so it's my fault.
Why not use the terminal, Tori? That's a lot easier and faster.
When it comes to Git, this I love it
Okay.
because if I make a little silly typo or something or I forget something, bam, like I just messed up something. That's why with Git, I just rather like click. I can see stuff, but if you here, I'll type it out for you.
And that's
Whoa,
more alright.
see,
The best.
I don't even know what that is.
Tori, I thought you were a wizard. Come on.
So
So
this
this
is your commit, which is what
it's
I did.
hard reset. Hard.
Okay, praying. Oops, oh, reset. Why is my terminal doing that? That's weird. So I'm gonna check out that Arsenal meme.
Hmm.
All right, here we go. All right, we moved the head back.
Boom. So now you have the commit that's shown on your terminal as your current code.
Why am I 2 commits behind now? I shouldn't be. I should only be 1 commit behind.
Why?
Because I should only be behind Finesh's commit. I
Which one
should
did
be
you
on.
hard reset?
I reset back to yours, which you said.
Hang on. See which code have you got first.
uh,
Go
am
close
I gonna
the file history.
what
Yeah.
styles
No, no, no.
tabs?
Yeah, so that's my commit.
What else? Can we just do? I mean, I'm 2 commits behind. I can see it up here. I see I'm 2 commits behind. So one of them must be. Uh, can I do
So
git
hang on a
fetch?
minute. Is 0BC01 go back into your thing mm, where you had all the commits showing? The drop
Um,
down.
go to all the file history.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just wanna where all the commits were showing in the top tab.
Okay. Yeah. So here's. So yours is here, but Dinesh is
Zero
gone.
six one
Okay.
eight three
This is not bad. So I'm on. We're now
zero
on.
eight three.
How
Okay,
do I?
yeah,
Why is this? Why can't I like full screen this? So weird.
you can just
Whatever.
drag that column as in
Yeah, it's not
towards
letting
the
me.
other side.
Oh, now it's my computer is being slow because I'm streaming. Um, so yeah, I'm on your commit, which is good,
Mm-hmm.
but I have to. If I do a git fetch, Finesh's commit is still in. Um, it's still in GitHub, like in the Git in Origin. It's in Origin. So if I do a git pull, I'm gonna get Finesh's commits.
So that means that we can just get rid of that commit from the origin itself. Simple.
Okay, how do we do that?
I'll Google it. Delete commit
I
from
mean, I can do git.
origin. I can remove a commit on the. Okay. Here's how you do that. So it would be. What that was
Oh, that's
the
only pull requests.
push master. What did you do? Okay, delete or remote commit to remove majority person.
Dev is asking how's it work.
Brilliant.
Checking out this
Uh,
arsenal meme.
has it calmed down now?
Get reset hard. Why is that an arsenal meme? Oh, meme arsenal. That was a football thing.
Can read.
Disappointed.
Reset, delete, remote commit, master first locally, then remove. Okay, to remove the commit you already pushed to your origin or to another repository, you you have to first delete it locally, which is
Mm-hmm.
done, I would say, and then push your changes to the remote. But it's not our change. Never mind. Push origin master. Git res.
We didn't do anything.
Huh?
We didn't get anything done. Oh no.
We're learning about Git, so that's a progress.
Yeah.
That's a huge progress, man.
It always wins.
Yeah,
If I just
like
took
see.
like if I just took like a 2-day course, I'd probably save myself hours when I run into this problem.
To remove a majority. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Go to the web version and just delete it from there.
You can't delete a commit.
Can't I?
No, I don't think
Interesting.
so. Git reset. There should be a reset.
Okay, so why do we want to do that though in the first place? Can't we just carry on with the work first?
Do it special. I like that title. Sorry, what?
Why do we want to do that? Can't we just carry on with the work first and then come back to it when we are about to commit it?
Because I think I don't have ha what is there? Isn't there like a diff command? How do I know I'm on the right commit right now? How do I know I have your changes? Isn't there like a diff command? And I can like check out the origin and diff it. Suck.
No. Git show. Probably do a git show command.
Git show? Oh, what is that?
Yeah.
You know what I was learning about the other day?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm on. It says I'm on your commit.
Yeah. So that's the commit fix passcode new design progress for creating it.
Diff CSS styles. Okay, cool. Whatever. I'm gonna quit this. That's a cool commit. Oh, stop. I hit
You wanted it. You wanted it.
Someone says git rev
Rescue.
convar.
You
Sorry,
already
convar
did it.
64.
So
That I never even. Never even
rev
heard that command.
hyphen pass short head. That will just show the exact commit hash you're on.
Cool.
Do you wanna do that?
No.
Be hands on, man. Be hands.
No, I don't.
Why not?
Because I don't know what I'm doing, and when I'm in my terminal and I don't know what I'm doing, and no offense to anybody, I'm just extremely careful.
This is a really good show. I like it. This is why I don't wanna miss this show. It's like so you're playing that Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, and someone is telling you a $1 million question to answer, and you're like,
But I called them. I know
um,
them. I mean,
but
no offense. I don't know Convar
but
64, and I apologize to Convar 64.
Okay, okay. Um, hang on a minute.
This one is get revert and then the commit ID, and then get push your like delete the last commit, and then reset the head, and then push your origin with force. Use Google Drive. uh, this makes sense, at least to me, because we revert the last commit. Well, this would be we revert the commit, and then we push
Huh?
we push to origin on whatever branch. Is this a branch?
Okay, sorry. Here's a
Yeah.
question. Here's a question. What?
Oh, what's up?
What?
Come on, get it out.
Oh, this is so... Calm down.
You're losing it. Come back. I agree. I don't trust the CLI. Plot has been lost. Zane, I can't hear you.
Okay.
Oh, there
Because
you
I
go.
muted myself.
Oh. Hey,
Okay.
laughter is the best medicine. Okay.
What are we trying to do and why are we trying to do it?
We are trying to undo Thanesh's commit and erase it off the face of our repository. Okay. That way, you're just going back to your commit, and on locally our Git and on the Git origin and GitHub, it will be as if he never even wrote that code.
Right, I see. Okay, cool. Let me check.
Git extensions. Oh, I'm not blaming anybody. I was just trying to be funny. It's a program.
Git branch.
Huh. Cool. Thanks. I'll check it out.
Okay.
And I apologize to Convar once again, but I will check out that command.
So must reset.
Convar. Check out latest commit. Then
Okay, do you want to push?
Oh, with the undo the last commit based on head hard. We'll nuke it. Okay, I think we're there, Convar. So thank you. And then what do? I just push?
Yeah, that's what it's saying on Google, that just push on the condition where you are.
Raise upstream. Raise PR to upstream master. Good, going pushing.
Tori, just do it. Focus on being hands-on. Come on, come on.
No, what Gekdev's saying is what I'm worried about is that I'm pushing an unknown commit, and then it's
He
gonna
some
blow up
he,
our
he
project.
sometimes likes to be sarcastic, so you won't know unless you try it, and everything is up there anyway. The only thing will mess up is your logo, but I'm
Well,
sure you're
if
smart
I
enough.
if I push it to GitHub, then if it could undo your
Okay,
commit if
Tori,
it messes up
what's the worst can happen?
your
It would
commit.
undo my changes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine because it
Okay.
will still be in the history.
Git push.
Just do it.
Uh, do I do git push
Yeah,
the
and that's exactly how what Convos 64 is saying as well. The
origin?
new pull request we actually show you. So don't worry about as in um making a mistake.
Oh,
That's
so
how we learn.
I should open a PR.
This will automatically open up PR when you push it to upstream.
Are you sure? Okay. So it's origin or yeah, it's origin, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not opening a PR. I'm just making a commit. Well, I don't have. Okay, I'm just gonna write it. Whatever. I
Tori,
did it.
just do it. You're thinking too much.
I
Come
told you
on, there's no
I'm not good. I'm not
failing Gag there.
comfortable with Git.
It's all learning, so don't worry about it. Here we go. Done.
Force the update. All right. Now I should
Yeah,
not see
here we go.
any. I don't.
Mm.
Um. All right. Let's check the Git. Git status.
See, well, one thing I've actually learned that in tech, everything can be undone. So don't worry about making small mistakes and learning in that way.
Yeah, I've just like I'm so bad at Git that I've run into like merge conflicts and then I mess stuff up because it
How
just
do you think I learn these kind of things?
yeah. But then
I
it took
I
me like
mess up many
hours.
times.
Honest, I'm not even like afraid of blasting away like a few lines of code. I'm more worried about having to spend hours trying to get my Git back to where it should be.
Yeah, yeah, and that makes sense. And look, we've all been
I
there.
did it.
I'm pretty sure that if you ask Jack Dev how many mistakes he made while he was learning, it, it will probably be more than me. So that's how he knows more than me
Okay.
and
All
us.
right.
So yeah.
Yeah, sorry. I just hate it when I mess up Git and then it takes me forever. Um, all right. Well, what are we gonna do now?
This is what we're gonna do now. All right,
It was a hilarious show
the
tonight.
progress made. See the huge progress made. We actually
We
did
removed
a
some
good
code.
tracking.
That's
Exactly,
senior level stuff.
exactly. It's progress. We got rid of some code. All right.
Thanks for
Do you want to
hanging with me there, Zane. You
trust my
removed
dream
Zane's
team?
commit.
He's
I
pulling your leg.
imagine.
No, no, no. Can't
Maybe.
be
I
that.
don't know. I'm worried about it.
Huh?
I'm worried. I'm worried about
I should have stopped you then. Why
Let
did
me
I
let me
encourage you to
let
learn
me
in that
check.
way?
Let me check. I'm checking online.
No, no, no. I'm just kidding. It was probably just one or two lines of code, trust me. Even if it was removed. I would already do this.
Okay. All right. I'm check. All right. I'm checking out GitHub. So it did open a PR?
Yeah, of course it would open up
Oh,
here.
no. There is an existing PR open.
Oh,
It
yeah. All right.
it it pushed to the get board functionality as expected. Um,
What is the latest commit in the commit
I know
history?
that's what I'm looking at. What?
You
Wait,
look
what? This isn't
like
even
a
the right.
zombie at the moment, Tori.
This is not the right. Do I? This is not
Yeah,
the.
they literally no lie.
What branch is it? Passcode UI?
It's Gapboard
Oh no.
functionality.
Okay.
So yes, so my previous commit has gone, which isn't even mm, much code, so that should be fine. So,
I think it's when's March 4th? Sunday? Yeah. I think we're good
uh-huh.
then. Okay.
Yeah,
Wait, no. Oh no. March 6th.
but
Yeah. So your commit is
you
gone from a Sunday.
that's all right. We're just removing those enlarged code and just um, changing
Well,
the
the
alert
thing
message.
is that locally, okay, so it got a little messed up, but locally, Zane, you have those changes on your locally right now. As long as you don't do a git pull when you open up VS Code or whatever, then you can just recommit that commit. I mean, I'm sure there's another way to do it, so I'm just thinking that is probably the easier way.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't know Git.
I'll have a look. No problem at all. Don't worry about it. Yeah, and even if no,
I learn.
I
I'll
know
learn.
exactly where the thing where the chain needs to be. So don't worry. I'll do it. All right.
I'm gonna
Let's.
get that program. This is all I need to do. Go back one, git reset hard head, and then tilde one. Yeah, I always forget that. That you can just go back that way. Learn,
Learn to trust me.
learn. I don't know.
Yeah, me neither.
Some
Sometimes.
sometimes you gotta feel it out. Google
Google
it.
it safe. Yeah. No, no, no. But on a serious note, thanks Jack Dev and thanks Convo for being there
Yeah, thank
and
you
guiding
both.
us. Yeah,
Much
learning
appreciated.
still all our lives. And do you want to do the honest story?
Yeah, rev parse. Yeah, so today um we had to we talked about the um the passcode functionality, and then we decided to change some things up. We had a good laugh, we had a good show, and we had to play with Git for about 40 minutes trying to revert some changes.
Good learning.
Yep, good learning.
Perfect. So, EJ, if you want to see what we do and how we do next, because there is a bit of a surprise coming up, not tomorrow, on Sunday. And half of it would be tomorrow, and half of it would be Sunday. So keep watching, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a good one, guys, and ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao. Have a great night. Thank you. Thanks, Convar. Thanks, Gektev.